Okay guys, getting back on the water. Hammond River. It's gonna be like 25 degrees today, so it should be a nice day out. We're trying to hopefully find some staging or some bass getting ready to get up on beds. Hopefully, we'll see. I'm gonna be riding on my new 106 MK today for the very first time. Super stable platform, motor. Hope I don't feel lazy at the end of the day, but let's see if we can catch some fish. Steering feet, that's new. I'm not really used to that. I keep on looking for my rudder control knob too. I don't know what to do with it. What's the water temp? 12. 12 degrees? That's warm, dude. That's like bass movement season. Here's the shad. A lot of shad just went by. I got one. They're way bigger than a Gas Pro. Sucker. Sucker. There's another one right there, Jean.
Yeah. Well, there's a few suckers here, so. I'm stuck in a rock. There's no...
Oh yeah, I see him on it. It's just a friggin' tiny one.
I know.
Do you care if I cast?
Well, let me catch them.
What color are you using?
Like a pumpkin. Let me get a full worm out there.
Cinco?
Yeah.
I'm gonna cast past it. Yeah. Frig, did you put that tree there? Got it, John. Got him. Got him, John. It's actually a decent smallie. I'm sorry to say, it's not like a 10 or 12. No. No.
A smallmouth, you guys.
Here's one, Jean. A big one. Real big smallie. Come get this one. This one's bigger than 15. There's 3 with it, a female and 2 males.
It looked like it was protecting an area, but we'll see.
Got one, John. Nice. When I get it in. I can't believe how clear you can see them. It's a good size one. Yeah. Bigger than the first one. Yes. Yes. Another big one. 18 inch. And that was a big smallie. Almost like he was going to take it on them. Got this one. I saw him. Take it. Probably shouldn't be on these side of the rocks. Yes, that's what I wanted, you guys. BGS got it. Bird got him too. Bird got him. There we go. Another pickerel. What are you doing? What are you doing? Another water right here. Another one. Another one coming right at me. Yep. There we go, Jean. Got one right here out in the deep. Oh, did you see that jump on the pit? Another guy, another pickerel, decent. Got him out in the middle, Jean.